Right, I've had this problem with a 4S. You've probably had the same problem, or you've got the same problem. But I haven't got it now, so I can't replicate it, but I'll explain the problem. What you can't do is this. See where my sound's going up and down? You can only do that when the headphone's in. And it won't do all this malarkey, which obviously mine is now able to do. All I was getting was that without the progress bar. The other thing I wasn't able to do, I wasn't able to play videos, YouTube videos, without a headphone socket in. Now I'm explaining the problem, you probably know all about it, exactly what problem you got, which is a right pain. But just to show you that this hasn't got that problem anymore, I am going to look at something and show you that it's working. But that might wind you up because obviously yours is not, and you're not interested in watching one that's working. So I'll get on with showing you how to fix it. Right, okay, sorry about the waffle. Right, okay, what I done is I installed a program called VoIP Buster. I don't know if you have to have this, it might work without it, which is a program that lets you make make phone calls over the Wi-Fi very cheaply. So this is not an advert for it, but it is a cheap program. And what I done, I rang a number. Doesn't matter what number you ring. I rang the number. Yes, this is about turning your sound back on, just in case you think I'm diverting. And then I put speaker on, like that, right? Now, hopefully that side of your phone is still working. And then while the speaker was on, and it's ringing, I tried to use it, and for the first time properly, it worked. And I was able to turn it up and turn it down. I don't know why that fixed it, but it did. And then I stopped, thinking that would probably go back to normal being busted. And then it started to behave properly, and then that fixed it.